Is YouTube driving you nuts? Monetizing, demonetizing, suitable, not suitable, all these canceling channels and setting out other parameters like, oh, now you have to have so many subscribers and so many views and all this before you get a, be part of their program or whatever, whereas before it wasn't. So many changes going on with YouTube. Can you keep up with it? And more important, when you search YouTube, you find all kinds of information. What's right? What's wrong? Who's accurate with it? Well, maybe in this video, I can at least show you where I turn to for information about YouTube, as well as how to even do maybe a little bit better videos. I know I'm not the best, but I do try. Thanks for tuning in, guys. My name is Jeff, ArizonaHotHomestead. And I too have been a victim of the whole not suitable video when you look at it and it matches other parameters, but for some reason it's not suitable for them. What do you do? And who can you really turn to find out what's really going on with YouTube? I've heard all kinds of stuff. YouTube's going out of business, but yet there's really no solid competition. YouTube's being run by a bunch of liberals, and so that's why the honest channels can't get any breaks and all kinds of stuff. So I'm going to at least show you guys in this video where I turn to learn a little bit about what's going on so that I can keep my channel going and be able to provide some content for you guys without me freaking out all the time. So first off, what I like to do is show you there are 4 channels here that I turn to, that I've subscribed to, that I turn to. I look at their information to see what's going on with YouTube. So let's take a look at them right now. YouTube Creator Academy is one of them that I look to. On this Creator Academy, they give you all kinds of basic information. Here's one about a Q&A for their partner program and the changes that's been going on, about brand deals and ways to make your channel a business and 7 keys to vlogging and stuff like that. So there's all kinds of stuff here. Couple of these people that are on here kind of have their own channels that I look at, like this guy here. His name is Roberto Blake. He's pretty cool. This guy here, Tim Schmoyer, he's got a cool last name. A little story about him I'll tell you in a second. But so I turn to YouTube Creator Academy. This is one of the channels I look at. Another one that I look at is called Daryl Eves. And Daryl Eves, I'll turn to him sometimes for a lot of good stuff as well. A lot of times these people like him, you can partner with him, you can pay him some money and he'll help you grow your channel because he'll look at it. But like he's got some things like demonetized day. Now what? What happens to YouTube watch time, and he talked about new studio live streaming and the best app for creators and all kinds of stuff that he does, making money on YouTube. YouTube fact and myths about YouTube and things. So, what was it? 3 steps to make YouTube channel a business. So he's got a lot of good stuff that you can turn to and get some good tips by, and even about some of the whole demonetizing. He's going to give you a little bit of information. What's neat about him is he's got some contacts within YouTube. That's very helpful. This is a guy, Roberto Blake. He actually, again, he looks at how to grow your YouTube channel. So he's got things like free Photoshop alternative. So he looks at things like that. He talks about freelancing. He talks about other social media, passive income. So he's helping you grow your YouTube channel in different ways that you can make some money on YouTube. He talks about here how to become a graphic designer and things like that. So he's a good guy to turn to for different ways to make some money on YouTube. And what does it say here? He says always be creative, motivating, and educating creatives. So he's one that I'll turn to sometimes. This one here, video creators. This guy's name is Tim Schmoyer. Now, Tim Schmoyer, what I did was I had a video that actually came out, and it literally was not suitable. No, it first started out suitable, then it became not suitable, then not suitable, then suitable, and not suitable again before it became suitable, and so far it's still suitable, all within like a 10-day period. Now, to me, that just makes no common sense. Why does it keep flopping back and forth? And, I get it if it goes to one way, it sits there for a few days and then flips back after a review. But I submitted it for review the minute it happened, and it kept flopping back and forth. So I couldn't figure out what was going on. I reached out to him. And I says, hey, help me. Why is this happening? And even though he couldn't give me a solid answer, he did at least point me into a direction that I was able to go to. I didn't get the answer I was looking for, but somehow it fixed the problem. So I don't know if it's a coincidental thing or not, but his team, actually, he's got a small team that works with him, and they actually responded very quickly and was very helpful. So I wanted to give Tim Schmoyer a shout out on that, and his channel is called Video Creators. I'll put a link down in the description field too of all these folks here. So, but yeah, basically he's he's got connections within YouTube. So he's in fact on the YouTube Creator Academy, he's got videos on there. So he's always working with them. He says, what YouTube's new policies mean for you. That's, anyone does YouTube videos should watch that one. 9 money-making ideas for a small YouTube channel. So he's trying to give you different ideas other than just your AdSense stuff. But yeah, so he's got all kinds of cool stuff that when you look through it, you can see. Again, these are the groups these are the folks that I turn to. And when something weird seems to be going on, or I've noticed another channel complaining about something, one of the first things I'll do is I'll go to his channel. I'll go to Roberto Blake's channel and Daryl Eves and as well as the YouTube Academy channel, and I'll go to each one of those and I'll look to see if there's some information on there. There are other folks out there that you can turn to. These are the ones that I have turned to so far. And I'm sure there's others out there that can give you just as good or better information. But these are the folks that I wanted to point out. That's basically all I wanted to do in this video, is to show you who I turn to for any YouTube help and what's going on with YouTube, trying to figure YouTube's madness out and things like that. These are the folks that I turn to. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope maybe some of you got something out of this here. So these folks here are pretty good at what they do, and I don't know, you get some good information about YouTube's weird stuff that they keep doing on us. All these changes they keep making, they kind of help bring you a little bit up to speed on some of it. So, but that's about it. See you, bye, have fun. Catch you on the next video. Did you subscribe?